living in my dreams, living in my dreams, living in my dreams, living in my dreams. I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed.
Today I have this 90's Blowout Glueless Kinky Straight Wig Unit. And right off the bat, I can say that this hair is soft, very soft hair. I would say that it's kind of pre-plucked. It does have like one of those fuller density hairlines, you guys. And also the knots on this wig unit are not bleached. However, this is the parting space for the side to get a decent straight part. Go any deeper, it's going to get shorter. So I would say to just keep it like this. And if you want to wear it on the side and you want a deeper part, then you would just have to twist your wig unit. Now this is a frontal, so you can't really play with it too much. There isn't too much different ways you can go, to be completely honest. So yeah, anyways, I am going to be showing you guys the middle part first. However, it's not really done. You are going to have to put some heat to your hair, and you are going to have to do some work to your hair as well. So I'm going to start off by using the hot comb to flatten the top. Does this make a difference any? Let me know. My camera is kind of a little far back. Hopefully flattening the top has made an extreme difference. It kind of looks like there is a difference to me in my mirror, so I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. So I know I'm starting like really late with my voiceover with this hair video, but thank you guys over at Jessie's Wigs for sending over this kinky straight blowout 90's blowout style wig. I do have her in a 22-inch, you guys, and 180% density, and this is a 13x5 lace frontal. So this install is actually 100% glueless as well today. So if you stay to the end, you will see exactly how I made this 100% glueless. And also notice how I said 13x5 and not 13x4. So I am getting an extra inch of parting space, which we absolutely love. And already at the beginning of this hair video, I did show you guys and talk to you guys about the parting space with this wig unit. So again, today I am just going in and showing you guys a middle part style, and then I'll be showing a side part. And then I guess I'll be showing you guys both styles because this is a longer style video, so I just kept both of the styles in. Now this wig is supposed to come kind of pre-styled, but once it's like in that packaging and it's all smushed and stuff like that, you're gonna lose the curls and the bounce and volume of it. So I did go in and try to curl it just a little bit more. However, I'm not really a middle part girl. I just don't feel like I have the face shape for it. Right now, I'm a little fluffy, so I don't really like middle parts on me when I have my like extra weight on me. I'm a side part girl naturally anyway. So this wig unit, in my opinion, looks way better on me than middle parts, and that just goes for all wigs. I don't know, you guys may agree or understand where I'm coming from when it comes to parting spaces and face shapes. I am a side part girl, and I don't really care for middle parts unless my face is slimmer. So that's just what it is. So here is the middle part for you guys. 100% glueless. Love that, love that, love that. I didn't even use any spray or anything. So For my girls who don't like the glues and sprays and the cleaning up of the lace frontals and things of that such, this wig unit could definitely be for you. Also, let me talk about the density. I feel like this Kinky straight wig unit was not that full, like to the point where I'm annoyed, you know, because I feel like Kinky straight wig units can just be too much. Listen, they need to make the Kinky straight wig units as thin as possible when it comes to like the shorter lengths because it's just too much hair. You get what I mean? So this one did not bother me as much when it came to styling. This, in my opinion, was a really good density for a Kinky straight wig unit. So if you guys are looking for something that is a little bit more natural and you're not really getting annoyed with your hair, try this hair company, because I didn't feel like I was dealing with a lot of hair. You know, because I'm gonna be honest with you guys, like, I review hair a lot, and when it comes to these Kinky straight wig units, I don't know why it is that they want to put so much hair on the Kinky straight wig units. Like, it's just like it's overkill, like it's too much. And it's like no matter how much you flat iron your hair, it just won't get flat because it's too much hair on it. So you are pretty much having to cut some hair out of or some tracks out of your wig unit if you want it to be a lighter density. But this one right here was pretty good, you guys. I didn't have a problem with its density, so I'm gonna have to give 10s out of 10s for that. But yeah, I love the side part on me much better, as you guys probably saw at the beginning of this hair video. It looks really pretty on me. And then I think the company did request that I do a side part because they like side parts on me or whatever. I don't know, I can't remember. But anyways, really good wig unit. You guys should definitely try it out and let me know what you think down below. Are you a middle part girl? Are you a side part girl? Do you like kinky straight textures? What do you guys think? Let me know. I do feel like this one looks really natural, and it's just not too big. It looks like your natural hair, and I absolutely love that. Super natural looking protective style. So yeah, that's it. That's all. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Living in my dreams, 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 living in my dreams. I had a dream last night. Did everything